Now it's recording.
So my synopsis of this paragraph is: don't negotiate with terrorists.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Go
So, I have Cicero answered to just one of these things.
Yeah.
Allison said it was wrong. Suck it.
It is wrong.
If that's what you had originally, it didn't match your markup.
She just said it was right.
Well, I think you're gonna make it responds to only one thing. Well, I don't know.
It's Cicero responded one thing to this. Something like that.
That sounds
One
wrong.
thing to these things.
Yeah, because it said Caesar contrasts the multiple points of Nervi with the single powerful point made by Cicero. So it's like he said he had only one thing to say.
Well,
So all
I
the
looked at
things
the book.
that Caesar said, all the things that Cicero said, Caesar only said one thing back, which is pretty much like STFU.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, so, and of course we respond in the freaking indirect statement.
Oh, they have more.
It is not the custom of the Roman people. Is that okay? So far?
Hold on. It was not the custom of the Roman people.
To receive the arrangement from the unarmed enemies.
From an armed enemy.
Alright.
To receive these
Arrangements is what I...
arrangements from an armed enemy.
Okay. If they had wanted to lay down their weapons,
You make it present. Present subjunctive, right? So it should would. So if they should wish, literally says to depart from their weapons, to lay down their weapons.
let them employ him an advocate.
Yeah, they should use. Yeah, let them employ him as an advocate,
And send legates to Caesar
and
or soldiers.
they would send legates to Caesar. Yeah.
He, meaning Cicero, hoped that they would attain the things which for his justice. That one was rough. His being Caesar's justice.
So he hoped that they would obtain the things which they sought
Oh, I forgot where.
in regard. What did you say about Caesar?
For Caesar's justice. Well, it says his, but in parentheses, Caesar's.
Yeah, for his justice. So basically, I have it over here on the side. In light of his Justitia, they would get. He hoped that they would get what they were seeking out of it.
Do I keep playing or do I stop
Let's
it?
put pause.
Mm.
Now that you-
Okay. Repulsed by this hope, the Nervi surrounded the winter camps.
They surround.
With a wall 9 feet tall and a ditch 15 feet deep. Is tall and deep like implied?
Uh-huh.
Okay, good. I
You
wasn't
wouldn't have a ditch 15 feet high.
true. So that first sentence is okie doke.
Yeah, great job.
Well,
Just take credit for it, Annabelle, and go.
no. They thought these things both were decided.
Well, hold on.
I don't know.
What tense is your verb?
Perfect. Blue perfect.
So you're gonna translate it as
Had
had.
decided. Or is it not decided?
They had.
Okay. Oh, just.
They had known, or whatever you said.
I said decided, but that's when we thought konstitudene meant decided. So, not sure.
I said learn or known.
Okay. So they thought these things.
Whoa.
Whoa.
They had known.
Oh, you're over there. I thought you read a different word.
These things. Oh, okay, hold on. They had known these things, both.
Isn't Superior
In the book, it kind of looked like it was separate.
because they're with
From us. Right?
Things both from us. Okay.
Like-
So.
They learned these things. Both. They learned, and you could say, they had learned these things from us, both, by our, what's that consuetudine?
Customs.
Yeah, by the custom. Now do the genitive.
of the previous year.
Of the previous years. And from those
The book already had that little section from those.
hold on, where does the teaching go in
And we're being taught by them.
there? Oh, they were being taught by those whom they were holding as captives from the army, with captives being the Romans.
Yeah. I mean, the book had it as from our army as captives.
Okay.
But not things of iron tools.
Hold on. I had that as an applet of absolute.
Which one?
Nola fermentorum.
Oh.
Did I make that up? I could have totally made that up. Don't. Oh, no, it says there, this construction is either an ablative of means or an ablative absolute. Okay, so you're going to say,
So what is it?
I believe
But-
absolute makes more sense.
Okay, I'll put it.
with there being no supply of tools, of iron tools. What do you think?
Where did you get supplies from? Oh, okay.
Where did you get there being?
Yeah.
I made it an ablative absolute with,
So it's just.
right, with Caesar being a leader.
Oh, okay.
Participle, you just-
Yeah, you stick a being in there. Basically, if you don't know what to do, stick a being in there.
So no supplies of what?
Of
Iron or something?
iron tools. And I have no idea what this. So the next part is chiasmus. Or not. I don't know why I drew some weird bone lines on my translation here.
Well, do you want to hear what I have?
Yep.
Which were suitable for this use.
Yep.
They struggled to cut around the grass.
Yeah, I said they tried to cut out the grass with their sword.
Yep. And bands of small military cloaks were exhausted by the ground.
I don't think so.
Okay.
And to clear out the earth with their, it's actually hands here, not bands of men,
Oh.
with their hands and their cloaks. Like, so basically what they did was like, you know, put their cloak on the ground, like shovel, grab onto it, and drag the,
Wait, and to clear out their hands and their cloaks?
to clear, what did I say? To clear out the earth with their hand, by means of their hands and cloaks.